Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Aruba. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Aruba is an island and a constituent country of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in the South Caribbean Sea. The island's economy is dominated by 4 main industries, including tourism, aloe exports, petroleum refining, and offshore banking. As Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, beginner traders should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Aruba and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy and reliable broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Aruba. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade is a well-known online trading platform founded in 2014, which offers traders multiple different assets, including binary options. Safety measures and precautions are put first by this platform, and it is considered a financial organization that keeps the interest of its clients in mind at all times. Specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, and OTCs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and their very own Olymp Trade application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Olymp Trade offers a demo account and 2 main account types. Their basic account, which provides you with various strategies, indicators, and educational materials, and a VIP account with more benefits, from personal analytics to strategies and more. Olymp Trade also provides their very own help center, which delves into a variety of helpful educational topics such as guides in platform functionality, the basics of trading, beginner tutorials, Forex guides, trading strategies, as well as a daily blog that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Olymp Trade. At number 4 on our list, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. Coming in at number 3 is Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC, focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs. A selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of United States-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, Micro, Basic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account with access to a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional educational trading knowledge with Expert Option. At number 2 on our list is Binomo. Binomo is a binary options broker, which is located in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, is a member of FINACOM, which is a private and independent organization that can mediate disputes between traders and binary options and Forex brokers. Binomo is an online broker which focuses exclusively on binary options trading and offers a limited selection of underlying assets for binary options to choose from, which include currency pairs, a few stock indices, and a couple of other assets. Featured Platform is available on the Binomo proprietary platform, which is supported as a web-based browser application and can be downloaded on Android and iOS devices. Their accounts are available on a free demo account, standard, gold, and VIP accounts. Binomo also provides their very own educational center, which delves into a variety of beginner, experienced, and professional trading strategies, such as technical indicators, trading on Fibonacci levels, and more, for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Binomo. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Aruba, we have Libertex. Libertex is an online Forex and CFD brokerage brand, which is the trading arm of Indication Investments Limited, which is a part of the Forex Club Group. Libertex is regulated by the CYSEC, was founded in 2014, and offers traders currency pairs, stocks, crypto assets, metals, indices, agricultural products, oil and gas instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on the Libertex proprietary platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Libertex offers a demo account, real account, and a professional account. In order to apply for a professional account, you will need to meet the criteria provided. Their real account features Gold, Gold Plus, Platinum, and VIP statuses. Libertex also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner lessons on getting started with trading, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Libertex. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Aruba on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.